The Mi A1 packs a lot of features in a sleek body, but if you want to enable camera to API, electronic image stabilization, or want to install some cool Magix modules, you have to root your device. If you want to root your device but still want to be able to receive OT updates, this tutorial is for you. I will show you how you can root your Mi A1 on Oreo while still being able to receive OT updates in future without losing any data. Let's get started. First of all, go to the link in description and download Platform Tools and Patched Boot Image. Extract Platform Tools and Patched Boot Image. Put the Patched Boot Image in the Platform Tools folder that was just created. Now go to Settings on your Mi A1, scroll all the way through and go to System, then About Phone. Now tap on build number 7 times to enable developer option. Now go back and tap on developer options and enable OEM unlocking. Now turn off your device and go to fast boot mode by holding volume down and power button until you feel a vibration. You will see a bunny with the text fast boot. Now connect your phone to computer using USB cable. Go to Platform Tools folder, left click on any empty space, now hold shift and right click and then open command window. In command window, type command fastboot OEM unlock. You can check the spelling in the description. Now the bootloader is unlocked. You can check it by booting your device. Now go back to fastboot mode and connect your phone to the computer. Open the command window if you have closed the previous one by holding shift and right clicking and then clicking on open command window here. Now type command fastboot space boot patched underscore boot.img and hit enter. Wait for a second and then type fastboot reboot and hit enter. Now your device will reboot into system. You can now unplug your device. Now download Magix Manager APK in the link in description and install it. Open Magix Manager and click on install. Click on install one more time and then click on direct install. This will take a few moments. Once it's done, restart your device. Once your device is restarted, your phone has successfully rooted. You can check root by using any root check app available on the Play Store. Now that your phone is rooted, you can use Pixel 2's HDR plus camera, enable EIS, and many more features. I will post tutorial about them in the channel, so consider subscribing. Don't forget to like the video if this was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.